What are you up to, boy?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh, what's your name?
Arlo.
Well, Arlo, you don't look like you're doing nothing. What's he look like he's doing to you, Lurleen?
Oh, come on, Bubba. Ask me. Ask me what I think they're doing.
Purvis, shut your mouth.
Looks like he's trespassing.
And what do we do with trespassers? Tell him, Earl.
We kill him!
I got you!
Nash, the herd! Yeah!
Get up! Come on now!
Let's go!
Get up! Yeah!
Watch out!
Nobody steals our longhorns!
Finders keepers.
Come on now, Mama wants to play with you. I know you're there. I can smell you.
Oh, shoot! That's my favorite tooth!
I'm gonna love ending you.